Okay, I'm back. And I went around it again here from the front, and then I was able to catch the black cardstock. Next, I'm going to, I think I'm ready to sew this on. I think so. I think that looks good. Looks really good. What I could do is use just a little bit of glue. Could use the Aleene's tacky glue and just put the odd little dot just so that it stays where it's supposed to. I do have some slow stitching on the front panel, on the spine, some purple yarn here, some blue DMC embroidery thread here, and I did some little dots there. So let's do that. Oh, these are so difficult to take the little cap off. It's not easy. Okay, so let's center that. I think like that. And then turn it over. Okay, so just a little bit here and there. Again, so that it doesn't move and shift as I'm sewing it on. And then you roll the bottle onto your project. Oh my goodness. Fix up that spine a little bit. Okay, I think that's good. There. And then over. And over. Yep, I think that's going to be good. Pull that back. Guess I don't have to use actual dots. Let's put the lid back on, if I can find it. Can't find it. There it is, I found it. Honest to Pete. Oh boy. Okay, let's push that down. So I'm going to sew around the perimeter, but I may also sew like a little bit in here. Maybe do some little tacks here and there. The back, I'll just do a few tacks here and there. I don't want it too stiff. Okay, let's do that.